Hello, thank you for watching this video. And for today's video, we're gonna make pancakes. So I hope you watch this carefully so that you can make a perfect pancake like us.
Hello, my name is from grade 9 Adiwiyata.
Hello, this is Jane Mori from 9th grade Adiwiyata.
For the materials, you'll need 125 kilograms flour, 1 egg, 125 milliliter of milk liquid, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, salt sufficiently, baking powder sufficiently. For topping, you'll need cocoa pandan syrup, sweetened condensed milk, and for the tools, you'll need pan, spatula, tablespoons, soup spoons, and plate. For this part, I want you to watch this carefully so that you can make it right. First, melt the butter. And while waiting for the butter to melt, mix flour, eggs, baking powder, salt, sugar, and mix well. When the butter has melted, mix it into the dough earlier and stir continuously. After that, pour the milk little by little. If the dough is ready, heat the pan. When the pan is hot, give a little butter so the dough is not sticky. Then, put the mixture into the pan, using a soup spoon or a strong spoon to get the maximum circle shape. Cook the dough for 5 to 7 minutes so that the pancakes are cooked perfectly. Put the pancakes on a plate and pour in the syrup or milk, up to your taste. The pancakes are ready to eat.